Good morning. How are you today?
Good.
Morning. How are you?
Today.
I make breakfast before going to work. I make breakfast before going to work.
Excuse, me. Where is the milk?
Can I have a large coffee, please? Can I have a large coffee, please?
Got it.
I have a flight to London. I have a flight to London.
All right, here is your boarding pass.
This jacket looks very nice. This jacket looks very nice.
I would like chicken and rice. I would
Like.
chicken and rice.
The bus is late again. The bus is late again.
I exercise every evening after work. Every evening after work.
I will call you later tonight. I will call you later tonight.
I need medicine for a headache.
Please look at this report. Please look at this report.
I have a reservation for tonight.
I have.
A. Reser to height.
We'll get that checked for you right away, sir. I would like two fresh breads. Breads.
I cannot find my keys. I cannot find my keys.
I need to finish my work today. I need to finish my work today.
Which phone is better? Which phone is better?
I need one ticket to the city center. I need one ticket to...
Can everyone hear me clearly? Can everyone hear me clearly?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
The coffee tastes very good. The coffee tastes very good.
I need to wake up early tomorrow. I need to wake up early tomorrow.
I want to open a bank account. I want to open a bank account.
Please send me the email later. Please send me the .email.later.
Please stop near the supermarket. Please stop near the supermarket.
I want a simple haircut. I want a simple haircut.
My flight will leave in 1 hour. My flight will leave in 1 hour.
The food smells very delicious. The food, delicious.
Today is a great day for shopping. Today is a great day for shopping.
I watch the news every night. I watch the news every night.
Let's eat lunch together. Let's eat lunch. To-geth-er. Where did I park my car? Where did I park my car? I have an appointment with the doctor. I have an appointment with the doctor.
I like reading business books. I like reading business.books.